Hey guys, this is me Ammar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to do proper placement of component in layout editor. Okay, so for making the layout after the completion of schematic and footprint assignment, we have to go into PCB editor. So for opening the PCB editor, we have to click here, switch to PCB editor. So once you click there, you will land up in layout editor window. So as you can see, like there's no component. We have to update our component from schematic. So how can you do that? We have to click here. Okay, update PCB from schematic, then hit update PCB, then close. So as you can see, our whole component is here. All right, now we have to make the proper placement for it. So for making the proper placement of components requires a lot of time. It is depend upon your complexity level, and the more time you spend on placement, the more better or efficient PCB you will get, technically also and aesthetically also. So for moving the components, it's same as schematic. Just select the component with left click on your mouse and press the left click and just drag and drop or just move it here to there. Okay, so for rotating, use shortcut key R. Okay, so I will move my components. And guys, there's a one inbuilt feature in KiCAD which I like the most, that is alignment. Like if you want to align both the components, this terminal block and this terminal block, and you're not sure that I placed it properly. So how can you align it both of them? Just left click on your mouse. Okay, left click, then press shift button on your keyboard, then again left click. Okay, then right click, then align and distribute, then align to bottom. So as you can see, like now both of terminal blocks are aligned properly, and you can move together because we selected both of them. So if you want to select multiple items, so you have to use the shortcut key shift. Okay, like I mean you have to press the shortcut key, you have to press the shift button. By pressing the shift button, you can select the multiple components, as you can see here. Like, so you can select multiple steps at a time using shift. All right, then we will place our other components. And most of the developers use their own artistic mind to decorate their PCBs. That is like something which I like the most, because you should use your creativity to design PCBs. And this is something, I mean, I really like it. Like when you use your own creativity, you put your name there or you put your brand's name there. So that is something like shows your creativity level. So you can use everywhere alignment tool, because it a really good tool for placing the components properly. And like you can shift the designators here and there wherever you want. So I will change it as per my requirement. All right, so guys, in this way you can place the proper component in your PCB.